So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can disable Steam from consuming 1 gigabytes of RAM in the background. Now if you have noticed the pattern in Task Manager, Steam might consume a lot of RAM in the background. Now in order to get that fixed, just simply click on this option of Steam on the top left corner and click on settings. Inside the settings, you need to go to this option of interface right there. When you scroll down, you'll find this option of interface. Inside the interface, you need to go to this option that says enable smooth scrolling. Just simply disable this option. Once you do it, it will ask you to restart the scene. Just simply hit on this option of restart now or restart later. Once you do it, you'll find that the RAM that is consumed by the Steam in the background have been now get freed.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.